Hey, my besties, how you doing? How you feeling? I pray all is well in your world, and welcome back to another video. I love each and every one of you, and I'm here to motivate you, encourage you, pray with you, inspire you, help you, be a listening ear, a shoulder to crown, and a friend till the end. If you need this or you want this, then hit that subscribe and become a part of the Bestie crew. Trust, you won't regret it. For my OGs and my news, you already know I love you to life, and I got you. Now, you know what it is, and you know what we do. Let's get it. So my friends, the reason that we are rearranging Jada's room is one, because it was time, but two, because there was a spider that showed up. It crawled in her bed and she was afraid and mad to sleep in her room. So we had to go through, and as you saw, I sprayed the perimeter of the room. We cleaned and did all of the things in the room so that she could sleep comfortably in her room. And we never did find the spider. So here we are doing the office over again, but I'm changing it for one reason, and it's because I'm supposed to get a stand desk. I may not get it, I don't know, but if I ever do get one, I'm going to put it up against this back wall. And since I'm no longer going to be working from home, it doesn't make any sense for me to have my computers and everything turned this way. So I just put everything back up against the wall, and once I get it back to just being regular stay at home, it's going to become my business office at that point, because your girl's getting ready to launch her business. I've already created my cards. The name of my business is Bougie Bear Designs Organization. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be creating merchandise, well as starting to organize people's spaces, kind of like the Black Home Edit. If you know what the home edit is, then you know what it is. It's just an organizational business and company. That's it. You might know who the home edit is if you go to Walmart and you go into any of the aisles with organization bins and that sort of thing, and you'll see two ladies on the cover, and it's a rainbow cover, and it says home edit organization. That's the home edit, for those who don't know. I am glad that you're here. Thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for following me through my journey, and keep an eye out for the new merch that's getting ready to come through. So my friends, we have reached pretty much the end of the video, and these next clips you're gonna see are basically just everything that occurred during the blackout, after the blackout. The final pictures will be of Jada and her graduation sign, because the schools were nice enough to give us graduation signs to put in our yard. I had a solo date at Denny's, which was an epic fail. I also went to Dollar Tree and found some things. If you liked what you saw, enjoyed what you saw, would like to be a part of what you saw, please hit that subscribe and become a part of the Bestie crew. To my OGs and my new news, I love y'all to life. I love you with the love of the Lord. I'm glad that you're here. I appreciate you being here. I love you for rocking with me, sticking and staying with me through all of the ups, the downs. Of course, this past couple weeks with the power being out and everything else. I just love y'all. I appreciate you. I am so grateful that you're here, because if you weren't here, I wouldn't have a channel. So I appreciate you so much. I love you. I love you. And I will catch you in the next one.